What's up, YouTube? It's Barry Fisherman. Today, I just wanted to record a quick video and talk about experience I had like last year. I was at the grocery store talking to a young woman, and I brought up her. I brought up to her that she might want to consider getting into tech. And her response was, "I'm not smart enough for IT or to get into tech." And I just wanted to say that that's not entirely true. When you get into your first role, your help desk role, or tier one job, there's actually a knowledge base of articles that you can read on common trouble tickets and issues you might have while you're assisting customers, right? So if there's a problem with Outlook, there's a whole collection of 100 plus articles telling you step by step what to do to correct the issue, and also give you some more insight as to why it's happening and what exactly it is. And even on the help desk, you're going to be doing the basic stuff like account password resets. You could do that by a click of a button from Active Directory. Outlook issues. Some people might have problem with their certificates. All you do is follow directions into the certain settings and click the right certificates. That's it. You're not going to be doing nothing really extravagant or trying to troubleshoot anything firsthand. Everything is going to be secondhand. It's come down the ranks and been looked at by other people. You're just following the steps to help customers get there faster. So, with that being said, don't be so um, standoffish when it comes to getting into tech. It's no different than any other job you might work. Every job you have directions and instructions. Same thing with IT. It's just a different industry. So that being said, Barry Fisherman, I'm out.